Begin your relaxation by sitting in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Relax and imagine the muscles in your body are soft and limp. You are now in your own time, your own space, a period of relaxation and a time to explore your inner self. So let go of any negative thoughts or feelings. Relax, and just for now, do not worry. Sitting in a comfortable position with your arms and legs uncrossed, feel the weight of your body on the chair. And your feet resting on the floor. Now feel your clothes touching your skin. And feel the air against your hands and your face. Be aware of your sense of taste and your sense of smell. And let your hearing extend to the peaceful silence beyond the furthest sound. Now focus your attention on your breathing. Notice the rhythm of your breath, keeping each new breath connected to the previous one. Breathing in and out through your nose. And as you breathe in, think of renewal. And as you breathe out, let any tension and negative thoughts leave with your breath. Feel the breath filling your lungs and then flowing gently through the rest of your body, enlivening every cell. Keeping each new breath connected, relaxing more and more, and breathing towards a feeling of harmony between body, mind, and spirit. Relaxed and breathing evenly, imagine your face is being gently massaged. And all the little muscles around your eyes, your forehead, and your cheeks are relaxing gently. Let your mouth relax. And let your lower jaw relax, releasing all tension from your face. Let all the muscles in your neck and the muscles in your shoulders relax, and let go all tension. Let the muscles across your shoulder blades relax, and let your arms go limp and heavy, and relax right down to your fingertips. Now let all the muscles in your back and all the muscles in your spine relax, and let your body sink deep into the chair. You are feeling heavy, warm, and very relaxed. Now let all the muscles in your chest relax, and be aware of your breath filling your lungs. Now let all the muscles in your stomach relax, and feel a warm and soothing sensation radiating from your stomach throughout your body, down your legs, right down to your toes. Now let all your internal organs and internal muscles relax. And you are feeling heavy, warm, and very relaxed. Now allow an image or a word to come up that represents this feeling, and touch together your thumb and forefinger of either hand and say to yourself, as I repeat this word or image and touch, I feel more relaxed, and each time I use it, it will bring back this wonderful feeling, and the more I use it, the better it will work. Now imagine that the room is filled with a white light, the source of which is overhead. Now feel this white light pouring into the top of your head and radiating throughout your body. Your body and your mind are now recharged, re-energized, and you feel calm and peaceful and are open to any images, colors, shapes, words, or feelings that present themselves.